Class 7th English. Good morning student. Today we will learn the lesson first. The rainbow. The rainbow is a Indradhanushya. The rainbow poem as written by Christina Georgina Rossetti. There are 7 colors in rainbow: red, green, yellow, violet, indigo, blue. The rainbow poem. Rainbow means Indradhanushya. Boat sails on the rivers and ship sails on the sea. But clouds that sails across the sky are prettier far than these. Boat means now. Rivers means nadi. Ship means jahaj. And clouds means badal. Across means ar par. Boat means now. इसका मतलब है कि नाव नदी पर तैरते हैं और जहाज समुद्र पर तैरते हैं, पर बादल जो आकाश में तैरते हैं उनमें कई अधिक सुंदरता है. सुंदरता मीन्स प्रिटियर. These are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overstep the trees and build as a road from earth to the sky is prettier far than this. इसका मतलब है कि नदियां के ऊपर एक फूल होते हैं जो तुम्हारी प्रसन्नता के जैसे ही सुंदर है, लेकिन इंद्रधनुष्य आसमान पर फूल बनाता है और पेड़ों के ऊपर से फूल बनता है जो पृथ्वी से आसमान तक रास्ता बनाता है. इन सबसे कई अधिक सुंदरता है. ब्रिजेस का मतलब होता है पुल. रिवर का मतलब होता है नदियां. प्रिटी मीन्स आकर्षक. ब्रिजेस मीन्स फूल. हेवेंस मीन्स स्वर्ग. बो का मतलब होता है धनुष्य और अर्थ का मतलब होता है भूमि. ट्री का मतलब होता है पेड़. क्लाउड मीन्स बादल. अर्थ मीन्स भूमि. हेवेंस मीन्स स्वर्ग. ओवरस्टॉप मीन्स ऊंचा. and sky means आकाश. Student, we know the rainbow poem very well. I just only said there are 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. This poem is written by Christina Georgina Rossetti. We can see the many things there is written. The ship sails on the sea. I saw clouds. I saw cloud in the sky yesterday. Rainbow are open sea in the rainy season. Namrata is a pretty girl. Natural beauty always pleases me. This poem is very beautiful. We can learn many things. You can see very open rainbow in rainy season and when we see on the sky, there are 7 colors in rainbow. Different. Just I said, the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. These are the rainbow colors beauty. And the writer is written very meaningfully poem. It's a very small poem, but we can learn many things this poem. As a Christina Georgina Rossetti, she is a very good writer, and she has written the very beautifully and meaningfully poem. The boat sails on the rivers and ship sails on the sea, but cloud that sails across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the how that bridges even, and poet stop the street and builds a road from the earth to the sky is a prettier far than this. This poem we can learn many things, and children take seriously and recite this poem very beautifully and learn the grammar also. Just I am reading for your grammar. The pretty, prettier, prettiest. Great, greater, greatest. Wise, wiser, wisest. High, higher, highest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Small, smaller, smallest. Fresh, fresher, freshest. Tall, taller, tallest. Thick, thickest, thickest. We can see the rainbow. A rainbow means we can see in rainy season rainbow. Second, rocket. Rocket can see in space. And aeroplane. Aeroplane we can see this in the sky. A bridge. A bridge over the river. We can see over the river. A road. A road can see from the place to another place. This rainbow poem we can learn many things. Okay? Children, learn nicely, take seriously and study well. Okay, thank you children.